In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in Salesforce. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together, ensuring a seamless experience as you expand your Salesforce repository. First things first, it's important to begin by logging into your Salesforce account. This is the gateway to starting your account creation process, and having your login credentials ready will ensure a smooth start. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left panel where you'll see an option marked Sales. Click on this, it will guide you to the primary area where all sales related functionalities are housed. Now direct your attention to the top of the screen. There you'll notice various tabs, and the one you're interested in is labeled Accounts. Give that a click and it will open up the Accounts section. This area is crucial as it's where all existing accounts are displayed and where you'll begin creating new ones. At this point you'll see a New button located at the top right of the list view. This button serves as your starting point for adding a new account. Clicking it will open up the account creation form where you'll input all the necessary details about the new account you wish to create. As you dive into filling out this form, you'll start with the account name. This field is mandatory, so ensure you have the correct details ready, as the account will be identified by this name. The next field to consider is the account type. Here you can specify whether the account is a prospect, customer, or any other type your business utilizes. Choosing the right type helps organize accounts and tailor interactions effectively. Additionally, there are optional fields for phone, website, industry, among others. While these aren't mandatory, they provide a more complete picture of the account and can be valuable during future engagements. Just below these options, you have the opportunity to add related information. This could include the billing address or the account owner. Providing these details now can save you time down the line and make sure all information is centrally located. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and any additional details you see fit, the final step is to click on the Save button. This action will commit all the data you've entered and officially create the new account within Salesforce. At this point, your new account is fully set up and ready for you to begin interaction. And that's it! You've successfully created a new account in Salesforce by following these straightforward steps. Keep these instructions in mind whenever you need to add a new account, and soon it will become a seamless part of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforce management.